There is much talk currently of the need for human beings to protect our planet and enhance sustainability. The devastation which can be caused if we do not do this is clear to see. However, the notion of protection can be problematic. In a Western scientific model of seeing the world, humans are set apart from other life forms. Moreover, we're not only seen as separate to nature, but superior to it. This view is then used to justify the exploitation of other species and ecosystems. This image becomes one of power rather than protection. This way of seeing contrasts with many indigenous knowledge systems, where humans are understood to be inseparable from the rest of the living world. At Being Mortal, we argue that we need to reset our understanding of our relationship with nature. We need to see and nourish the interconnectedness of all living things in the natural world for mutual well-being. This allows everyone and everything to flourish. The general benefits of connecting with nature are well known and are summarised here. At Being Mortal, we focus on how recognising human life to be an integral part of the natural world may support people in accepting, talking about, and planning for death and dying. Recent research suggests that such mortality acceptance and nature connectedness are intertwined. So people who think of themselves as part of nature may be more likely to view their own mortality as a natural part of the life cycle. Being Mortal's Nature Connection project reminds us of our inseparable connection to the rest of the natural world. We belong to this wider cycle of birth, growth, death and decay, and then renewal. Our Nature Connection workshops create opportunities for participants to develop their connection with nature and gently reflect on life's natural cycles and impermanence. Robin Wall Kimmerer sums it up in this way. The breath of plants gives life to animals, and the breath of animals gives life to plants. My breath is your breath, and your breath is mine. At Being Mortal, we hope that embracing this view will help us all to live and die well.